Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the SoapUI series. Okay, right. Hope you watched all the previous videos. And this video, we are going to see how to run SoapUI project in GUI mode and also through Groovy script and also through command line. Okay, I've already added one WSDL, right, one created one SOAP project and added one calculator WSDL in my project, which has four requests. One is add, divide, multiply, and subtract. As we saw in the previous videos, I generated a right test case here. Okay, so I generated a test case here. Let me delete the Groovy script here. Okay, so what I did is I generated a test case and a test step here, and I added only one request, that is add request. Okay, now we need to run this right in the GUI mode. Okay, how to do it? We already saw this, but I'm explaining it now. So that we are seeing how to run the particular soap project in different ways. First is through GUI mode. So first, how to do is right. First, right click on test case, right, double click on that, you will get a launch, right, run test case window. Okay, now if you click it, so it runs in a GUI mode. So this is how we can run the SoapUI project in a GUI mode. This is one way of executing. Okay, there is another way to execute your test case, right? How to do it? Click on the test step, right click, add step, and add a Groovy script here. Okay, so here we can add a Groovy script. La previous video we saw about Groovy script, but this video we are going to see how to run the script through a Groovy script. Okay, I have added a small right command in my notepad. I'm just copying that. Right, I'm pasting here. Okay, so first what we do is we are defining a project name. We are just creating a variable project name. Then we are giving test runner. First, get test case. Get the test case method. It is getting a test case and get test shoot. First test case, then calculate a test shoot. Then get project calculator. Sorry, just giving a rest project here. First is read PHP test case, then C2T test shoot, and next one is get project rest project, and next one is get workspace. Next one is get project name. What project name? I gave rest project. Why I didn't give the same project means it will keep on running a loop. That's why I gave in a different project here. Get project name rest project one. So it's going to run this project, the second project, not the first project. That variable I'm giving dot run null equal to false. Okay, so if I start run this, right, so it will execute this one. Okay, or I can start this one and click run. Okay, so the Groovy script has been executed. So this is one way of executing through Groovy script also. Okay, now the third way is how to do is right click on the right test case, click launch runner. Okay, so if you click launch, it will ask whether to run all the shoots or a particular shoot, all the test case or a particular test case. You can select the option. If there are some multiple shoots, you can select which shoot you want to run. If it is a multiple test case, we can select which test case I want to run. If I click launch, right, it start running. Okay, then a command line has been generated. It's executed now. If you see, it got the request and the response here. Okay, so I got the request and the response. Suppose, right, if I want to run in command line, what I need to do is I have to navigate to this path. You have a path here, directory. You should copy it. Okay, then go to the command prompt. Okay, give cd space and this one, click enter. Then what you do is, right, you go to the test runner. Okay, okay, test runner, copy this. Okay, then you paste the runner. Okay, so test runner dot bat, okay, and calculate dot xml. See, the project is running. So you got the right. You got the request, right? The request which I gave, right? And add 10 plus 20 plus 10, and you got the response also. Okay, so you can run the SoapUI project in command line also. So this is how you should run. First, you should launch the test runner and go to navigate to the particular bin path, and you should give the runner right path, right. Should go and copy from the right. If you give test runner dot bat and the XML path of the SoapUI project, if you click it, run it, it should run. Okay, so this is how we can run right the SoapUI project in 3 different ways. Okay, hope this video is useful to you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.